Philo versus Hulu versus Sling TV versus YouTube TV. Which live TV streaming service is better? Hello and welcome to our channel WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to make a comparison review between Philo, Hulu, Sling TV, and YouTube TV. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So there are many factors to consider when choosing a live TV streaming service, such as the price, the number of channels, and the quality and the features. And now I'm going to show you some of the TV streaming service including Hulu, Philo, Sling, and YouTube TV. But let's start first by knowing this platform, Philo, in which it is a live TV streaming service that offers a variety of television channels commonly found on cable and satellite TV, in which it also provides subscribers with access to channels like A&E, AMC, Comedy Central, HGTV, and many more, delivering a mix of entertainment, lifestyle, news, and documentary content. And now, in terms of the pricing option that this platform, Philo, offer, it will show you below here that they offer $25 per month, in which it includes access to more than 70 popular broadcast and cable channels, unlimited cloud DVR storage, and the ability to stream up to 3 devices at the same time. And as you can see below here are some of the channels that are also included, or the popular networks such as Comedy Central, Discovery, Food Network, Nickelodeon, and many more. However, Philo does not include live news and sports channels. And aside from that, in terms of the quality, Philo streams video in high definition resolution, or HD, with live TV in 720p and on-demand content in 1080p. And also the audio quality is streamed in standard, which is 2.0 stereo quality. And aside from that, in terms of the feature, it offers unlimited cloud DVR storage, allowing users to record entire shows and retain content for up to a year. So they also offer unlimited DVR, 3 streams, and 30-day recording. And now moving on to the other platform called Hulu.com, in which it is also a popular subscription-based streaming service offering a wide range of TV shows, movies, and original content, and also documentaries, in which it allows users to watch current and past seasons of various TV shows from major network shortly after they air, along with a diverse collection of films. And aside from that, Hulu also offers a Black Friday promotion where new and eligible returning subscribers can sign up for Hulu for just 99 cents per month for 1 year, after which the regular monthly price applies. And as you can see here, Hulu offers different subscription plans, including an ad-supported plan and an ad-free plan, amounting to $7.99 per month with ads, but $17.99 per month with no ads, in which using these plans, it will allow users to tailor their viewing experience according to their preferences. And additionally, they also offer add-ons like TV packages, premium networks such as HBO, Showtime, and Cinemax, and enhanced cloud DVR storage for those who opt for their live TV subscription. And aside from that, they also offer the plan that combines on-demand content with live TV streaming, and that costs $76.99 or almost $77 per month. And additionally, in terms of the channels it provides, Hulu offer 90 plus channels, including A&E, Bravo, CNN, Disney Channel, ESPN, FX, Food Network, and many more. However, some networks require ads to be shown before and after shows rather than in the middle. While in terms of their video quality, they offer a 4K resolution Ultra and also an HD or 720 and 1080p resolution. While in terms of other features, it provides a 50 hours of DVR, 2 streams, and also offer an original content. Now moving on to the other platform is called Sling.com. So same as the other, Sling TV is a live TV streaming service that provides subscribers with access to a variety of television channels over the internet, in which it offers an alternative to traditional cable or satellite TV subscription by allowing users to stream live TV channels on various devices without long-term contracts or specific hardware. And aside from that, it offers a variety of live TV channels including sports, news, and entertainment, as well as on-demand content. And now, in terms of the pricing option that this offer, as you can see, Sling TV has two main subscription plans such as Sling Orange and Sling Blue, each priced at $35 per month, in which Sling Orange offers 30 plus channels including ESPN, Disney Channel, and Freedom, while Sling Blue offers 50 plus channels including Fox, NBC, and USA Network. So basically, the orange and blue package combines both sets of channels. And because of that, on this platform Sling, you will get 32 to 53 channels. And aside from that, users can access Sling TV on various devices, including smart TVs, streaming media players, smartphones, tablets, and computers. However, in terms of the video quality, Sling is capped at 720p and does not support 4K streams. Additionally, Sling's DVR storage is limited compared to some of its competitors. So basically, it offers an HD quality, while for additional features, it also offers a 50 hours of DVR and 1 to 4 streams, and also content add-ons. Now moving on to this other platform is YouTube TV, in which it is also a subscription-based streaming service offered by YouTube, which is also a subsidiary of Google, in which it provides users with access to live TV channels, on-demand content, and a cloud-based DVR service, allowing subscribers to watch live television and record their favorite shows to watch later. And as you can see here, YouTube TV offers a variety of TV channels from major networks such as ABC, CBS, NBC, Fox, ESPN, CNN, and many more, providing a mix of news, sports, entertainment, and lifestyle content. And now, in terms of the pricing plan, YouTube TV offers a variety of subscription plans catering to different user preferences and budgets. And as you can see, the YouTube TV base plan costs $72.99 per month, or almost $73, in which it includes access to over 100 live TV channels, including local and cable networks, sports, news, and entertainment, in which it also includes unlimited cloud DVR storage space and up to 6 accounts per household. And in terms of the video quality, it offers 4K resolution HDR. And now that we know the similarities and differences of those platforms, I can say that they all have strengths and weaknesses, but the best one for you depends on your preferences and budget. For example, if you want the most channels and the highest quality, YouTube TV might be a good option. But if you want to save money and still get a decent selections of channels, Philo or Sling might be better choices. However, Hulu is also a good option if you want to watch original content and on-demand movies and shows. So I hope this will help you to make an informed decision. So that is just a comparison review between Philo, Hulu, Sling TV, and YouTube TV. Thank you.